On today's video, traders, I will be updating you guys into how three pairs that we always work on have been looking and how they possibly might look to continue moving. And those three pairs are Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. So before I start, make sure you like the video, make sure you share the video, make sure you leave a comment on the video, and far most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. As you guys are all aware of it, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I won't say much, but I'm going to leave all my communication tools that you guys have and that I also have, so we can communicate, chop it up, and see what we can come up with, so COT Academy can improve your trading journey and better your forex journey, so you can have a greater 2025 moving forward into the rest of your trading life. But as I'm about to start the video, I want you to be mindful of a few things, guys. COT Academy, we share exclusive content based on forex, educational content, and another thing, we share trade breakdowns just to show you guys how we take trades based on everything that we share from our educational content. And another thing, we also share day in the life vlogs just to show you guys how we live our lives and how we keep ourselves sane within the trading journey, because it gets overwhelming, to be honest with you guys. Seeing numbers going up, seeing numbers going down, seeing numbers just flat, it's kind of overwhelming. But without further ado, let me not say much, but let me prepare you guys for what's to come based on what has already happened, right? So as you guys understand that our first pair will be Nasdaq, and on Nasdaq, based on our weekly trading outlook, you can go check it out if you haven't watched it. We have a playlist of all the videos right there. So for this week, our weekly outlook for the week of the 21st up until the 25th, it was simple, because we now understood that our overall structure of Nasdaq is bullish, right? Price has been creating higher highs and price has been creating higher lows. And if you understand how do you spot out a possible reversal, then if you don't know how to spot out a possible reversal in a uptrend, then I guess you've come to the right video, because I'm about to show it to you on the NAS, right? So understanding Nasdaq, that we have a diagonal resistance and a diagonal support, and price is trading within our zone. As you can see, our highs, and as you can see our lows, as you can see our highs, and as you can see our current price lows, right? So Nasdaq, I just want to keep it simple to you guys, because you can clearly understand the structure, you can understand the behavior, you can understand what we're trading within, the channel that we're trading within. And when you understand those few, now it's about the time that I break to you guys what might possibly happen, right? So Nasdaq, we understand that this was our current price higher high, right? And this is our risk and our current price higher high. Okay, this was our previous higher high, and this is our current price higher high. So understanding the nature, you can clearly understand that price at a push creating a higher high, and price at a push creating a higher low, and price at a continuation push creating a higher high, and price at a deeper pullback giving us a higher low anticipatingly, right? So with now how our current structure is looking, there are a few things that I need you guys to be mindful of. One of the most important things is we've marked out this previous higher high, which is being an example of this higher high, right? And obviously marking out this higher high clearly gives you an understanding that from this higher high, higher low, continuation higher high formation, and a push to the downside, this current push to the downside, violating our higher high and trading below within our higher high space. There are two things that I need you guys to be mindful of, because now price is in a current push and price is trading below our very same zone right there. There are only two things that I need you guys to be mindful of looking forward to the rest of the week. One of the first is, if price will give us an indication of a possible reversal, then we're gonna understand that from a higher high and a deeper pullback trading below our zone, if you might be looking to continue bullish, then I guess we might look forward. If we're looking to if we're looking to understand this possible reversal, then I guess price will trade below, so we can look for the move to the downside, which is right there. Price will trade below and look for that reversal to the downside. Do you guys get it? But if price will give us a continuation to the upside, then there's two zones then there's two POIs, points of interest, that I need you guys to look out for. One of the most is obviously this current higher high, right? This current higher high. If we are going to anticipate a continuation to the upside of a possible new higher high, then I guess price will trade above this zone and then continue bullish and trade above our higher high, so we can have a clean move to the upside, which is a break and retest, and a continuation break and retest, so we can anticipate those possible new all-time highs, right? But if price will give us a fail to violate, then I guess we might anticipate a possible reversal to the downside and look for those big moves on the NAS. But if price will give us a trade above, then I guess we're going to do as price is showing us and look for those moves to the downside and just be the way it is. So on the NAS will be very simple. There are two things that we might be looking for. Is price going to give us a fill to break off the previous higher high, looking for that reversal to the downside, or will price give us a violation and trade above, so we can take 50% of the overall setup that we're looking for, which is a trade above our current price higher high in anticipation of possible new all-time highs. Do you guys get it? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So on gold, I just won't say much, but when you understand the nature of gold, price at this high is marked out, right? And price gave us a violation to the upside, and then we had this highs marked out, and price gave us a violation to the upside. So now our current price, you can clearly see that we have this current price highs that have been marked out. Obviously those are previous highs, but I'm just saying it's current price because we currently are working on them or towards them, right? So looking on our structure, you can understand that price is in a bullish trend, right? And to just sum things up to you on gold, which might be a very simple pair to trade from Monday up and until now, looking forward to the rest of the week. The only two things that I need you guys to focus on is if every time price created highs, price gave us a violation. Every time price created highs, price gave us a violation. And every time price created highs, are we gonna get a violation? That's our question. That's why I say gold might be very simple. So looking forward to gold, understanding that our structure is bullish and our behavior is bullish, we now focus on previous highs that might look to give us obviously confirmation based on, are we going to continue bullish, or are we going to get that reversal to the downside? So the first one was this highs. On this highs, we have anticipated that if price will give us a break above, then we're going to look for those continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then we might anticipate those reversals to the downside. So price did give us a fail to break and had a push to the downside, which is more like a push and an exhaustion. And when price gave us a violation, there was an anticipation of a continuation push to the upside, right? Same thing. After that, we understood that, okay, our structure is still looking bullish. Again, our current price, based on what happened previously, we might look to experience it on our current price. And on this instance, this will be very simple. Based on how we look at it and how we see it, gold is looking bullish. Our structure is looking bullish. Our behavior is looking bullish. But we need to confirm with how markets will look looking forward to the rest of the week. If price will give us a break above our previous highs, then we might anticipate those continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we might anticipate those signs of a possible reversal to the downside. But I'm not advising you guys to go for it at the moment, because our structure is bullish, our behavior is bullish, our geopolitics is just aligning with gold, which is being bullish. With that being said, we might focus on continuing bullish, but we just don't anticipate that. We'll simply wait for price to print out so we can easily react from what price is printed out. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And on USD CAD might also be simple like gold is, right? So USD CAD, I'm gonna focus on what previously happened before I'll show you guys what currently happened. USD CAD, we had this previous high, right? That hit this previous low that had a push to the upside, giving us this high. And then we had a push to the downside, giving us this low, coming back to our very same low, giving us a clean giving us a clean double bottom pattern, right? And from those lows, price pushed to the upside, gave us those very same highs. So with those very same highs, price is now looking for that move to the downside. Price is now on a move to the downside. So just to sum things up to you on USD CAD, just to sum things up with you guys on USD CAD, we understand that one, price is a clean double bottom zone, right? And then two, our current structure is looking bearish. The only thing that we can confirm continuations or a reversal on USD CAD will be on two things. If price will give us a break below this pattern, then we might look for those continuations to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside. And we're going to keep it the way we keep it. Simple, straight, and legit with you guys. No complications, no hazy, no anything, no funny gimmicks or funny scammy shit, but we're just keeping it the way we keep it, simple as it has to be. Price is a double bottom zone. If price will come back to that zone and give us a break below that pattern, then we're gonna continue moving to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to violate, then we might anticipate a possible triple bottom and look for those moves to the downside and look for those moves to the upside. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it's been, and that's just how it is. So without further ado, I thank you guys for the numbers. I thank you guys for showing up, and I thank you guys for watching the video up and until to the end. And if you came to the end of the video, I want to leave you guys with one thing. COT Academy has an exclusive deal. So if you want to capitalize on this deal, then I guess you're going to fund your trading account using that link on my bio, that quick trade link on bio. Click that link, sign up, open your account, fund your account. After funding your account, I'm going to give you a free mentorship course, which is worth 3K. For absolutely free, but you just gotta show up and show up for yourself. I can also show up for you. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I might catch you guys on the next video.